Right, another day out here. Williams Lawn and Property Cleaning LLC. Gonna knock this backyard into shape. We're gonna nub that down. Get rid of that debris. Get rid of this debris. We're gonna knock this out. Get it low. We're gonna chop that up and get that low and gone. There's a little problem area over here, this tree. You know? Trees. That wind came in. Smashed the fence. Don't get all that over there. Over there to this side. And this man has a really, really nice backyard. Looks like there's some sod been laid. Kansas Premium Fescue blend. We're gonna try to get that up out of that backyard though. Piece by piece. All right, I thought I'd stop right here and let you know this is it's rotten. That's the culprit. That's the culprit. That rotten wood ain't up to no good. But it pays good though. All right. Halfway there. It's all sectioned off in 16-inch pieces. I'm gonna rake up all this stuff here, then tote it on over that way. I'm a little out of breath. I've been moving. I'm empowered. God's powering me. I'm moving. Here we go. That's all gone. All the debris. I'll log it up and put it in the back there. I'll rake the neighbor's lawn pretty thoroughly, if I don't say so myself. Praise God. Hey. We'll go ahead and put his tool up because he left it out. I didn't leave this out. Hey, it's a part of it, right? All right. As you can see, that whole tree is gone. I hit this area over here up really good. Right here. Got it extra low. That pile of debris that was there is gone. The pile of debris that was right here is gone. As you can see, that big old thing right here, that's nubbed off. And the other big part over here that was right here, that's gone.